making yogurt for kids. So again, you're going to stroke it like that with a wooden spatula to make sure that the milk does not stick to the bottom of the pot, because we have it at the high heat, 9. So it's on an induction stovetop. We poured in the boiled milk into the glass pot, and now we're going to place the thermometer and then count down until the gauge is at 70 degrees centigrade or 160 degree Fahrenheit. So that's the best temperature in order to have a perfect yogurt. And this is again for kids. Now I'm just going to use 2 pack or small packages of the original yogurt which we bought in the store, and then we are going to mix them up in a small bowl and then pour them into the boiled milk once that hits the 70 degrees centigrade. Now we're going to mix this yogurt until it is all completely mixed and turn into similar to like a puree. So continue to mix it up. Now the temperature is at 70 degree centigrade, and I have my yogurt in that bowl ready, and I'm going to pour this into the milk pot. So just by removing this, so the kids yogurt, this is how we are going to wrap it in this big kind of a blanket to keep it warm, and we'll open it after 9 hours. I have tied the kids yogurt in that blanket to make sure that the heat is preserved, and then we'll leave it on for about 9 hours, and then after 9 hours I'll open it up and I'll let you guys know how it looks. So the kids yogurt after 9 hours is going to look like something like this. So what we're going to do next is we're going to place it in the fridge for another maybe couple of hours or 3 hours, and then until it becomes more solid. Alright, so this is the kids yogurt after staying overnight in the fridge for about 6 hours, and see that it's more solid and pretty good texture. And what I would advise you guys is, if you see the lid that has some water that has vaporized, you can probably drain it in the sink before you put the top back on. So if you're using it, you can go ahead and eat, and if not, you're just going to put the lid back on and then place it back to the fridge, because yogurt's best place is in the fridge. Thanks so much for watching. Please guys, share the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and see you in the next video. Take care.